So we're gonna try to get to 900 problems. Probably won't, probably not gonna happen today. Also, new record. We're now 9.4% because they unrated the last contest. So I am slowly making my way up to top 5%. And then after top 5, we're gonna go for top 1. I think if I had to guess, I would probably say that if I did this like really, really hard, and I actually was like, trying like I was here. If I was actually trying like I was here, like now I'm like here, but with it's like dark colors, right? And this is like bright because I was like going really hard. I feel like I'm like really close to reaching this, like top 5%. I feel like I'm very close. If I just like grinded or something, I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna go into keep solving problems. Keep solving problems. So let me change the thumbnail on the live stream so people will actually want to join it on YouTube, and then we'll get into like just a good study session, a good old study session. So bang, upload thumbnail. There we go. Day 152. Oh wait, give me that. Let me take that restream thing out of here. Let me take that restream thing out of here. Get out of here. At least put it at the bottom if they're gonna add it. I know they want their branding. Okay, it looks like it's didn't bother saving. God bless YouTube, man. All right, cool. I think we're kind of good. Yes, well, let's get into it. So to keep it standard, 1500, 1600, and then just run it. Get an easier one this time. Delete nodes and return a forest. I don't know what the heck that means. So I've been trying to practice C++. May do it again in the future. Given the root of a binary tree and each node has a distinct value. So, oh my god, really? It still isn't. Nope. It literally will not let me change the description. Cool, thank you, YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. Finally. Perfect. That's how I like it. Okay, given the root of a binary tree, each node has the distinct value. After deleting all nodes with value to delete, we are left with a forest, a disjoint union of trees. Return the roots of the remaining trees in the forest. You may return the results in any order. Okay. So then... Oh, what, Ahmed Khan, do you think IQ is correlated to LeetCode? Also, I pray you get night soon. So close. Thanks. Do I think IQ is correlated? No. I think, well, I mean, there is a correlation. Yeah. I mean, of course, like, I think it's like probably loosely. I think probably the thing that makes the most sense is your emotional intelligence, basically your ability to kind of keep going without giving up. I think that's like way bigger than like your IQ. It's like with anything in life. Recursion, what is up, broski? What's up, recursion? How long are you going to do LeetCode stream? Probably 1 hour. So like 1 hour, I'm gonna quit. I've been trying to launch up this new thing where I'm like trying to get better at coaching people, and that's actually another thing too. I guess I talk about like the mental stuff, but another thing too I want to kind of do is maybe try practicing like the mental aspect of coaching. Also like obviously explaining problems and things like that. But I've got a couple of sessions. At least I'm supposed to have a couple sessions today, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. But I'm just trying to want to improve on that because I really think it matters like a lot for like this kind of stuff. It'd be really cool if I could get like a it'd be really cool if I could get like a degree, but not a degree, but just like some training in like psychology or something. Because I really do think that like if you have someone who who like their mindset is just like destroyed and they think that like they suck at everything, that they're stupid, that they can never do lead code, that their IQ is just too low and that's why they can't do it. That like you have someone who thinks all those thoughts and you have someone who just thinks like, yeah, this is fun. I just want to keep learning and keep going. That like it's just wildly different. Like just imagine like, living with something like that. You're gonna stream those sessions as well. I don't know. I guess it depends on the person. If they want to be, they're okay. If they're okay like recording stuff. Yeah, if they're okay recording stuff. But if they are, then why not? I guess why not? Cool. So, given the root of a binary tree, each node and the tree has a distinct value. We're deleting the nodes in to delete. We're left with the forest. To delete is integers. And the forest will be 6, 7. But we're returning a list of tree nodes. Nice. Do you trade stocks? No, I do not trade stocks. I only do my investment strategy is S&P 500, which has worked out amazing for me. I read a lot of books, and it seems to be the case that most people cannot predict the stock market. But because like you don't actually get any feedback, most people think they can predict the stock market, or they think that they're like good. But this is me like investing since I started in like 2019 up. Also, bro, look at the market, bro. Up. What is this? 100%, bro. What the fuck? That's insane. But like when I was like here, I was telling like all my friends like, bro, just start investing in the S&P 500. Like everything's gonna be good. And obviously like COVID happened, and then I remember like one of my friends was like, "This is so stupid. Like, why would you can't actually put money into here? Like, but if you just like dollar cost average, like you're probably just fine. So you literally just don't stop investing. Like you just keep putting money into the market. Don't try to predict the market. Don't try to time it. Just keep doing it. Just let the economy do its thing. But yeah, this period was like insane for tech people, by the way. Tech people are actually rich. Anyone who's in software engineering or tech, they're actually rich because all they have to do is just keep putting money in and then like they get like 100% returns. That's ridiculous. But yeah, no, I don't trade stocks. I feel like, yeah, TLDR, I think stocks is just gambling. I think people like, what they do is they probably like try to read the news or something and they think that they're good at it, which is fine. I don't mind gambling if you want to gamble. I like gambling, but it's just not a reliable. I wouldn't consider it a reliable way. I'm looking for a 20% return with low to none time spent on managing. Yeah, yeah, like it's just not really. I don't think there's really gonna be any free money, like except for like, and even this isn't free, right? Like, I mean, this is actually kind of insane. Your market, I don't think goes 100%. This is insane, but anyways. New to your channel, so probably a dumb question. Do you work as a sweep for a day job? Nope, I do not have a job. I am, I guess self-employed. Technically, I'm self-employed. I have my own business building apps for people, freelancing. Yeah, that is that malicious intent. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so here, let's go back to this question. That's a dope, dude. Thanks. Yeah, I'm currently living in Colombia, although I'm from the United States. Born and raised in the United States, but in Colombia for the time being, just traveling and hanging around, doing some LeetCode. Given the root of a binary tree, each node has values, and then you just delete the nodes. Cool. All right, so I think when you delete 3, you just pop all of its children inside, like the remaining one. I think this is actually the actual thing, is you just iterate through, check if the node is a part of it. Malicious intent, what's up with your name? Yeah, he is malicious. Yo, what is up, Tony Desmond? Fortunately, I don't have the YouTube chat that pops up on screen. I would have no idea how to do that. There might be a way I could do it like Twitch, but I don't know. Malicious. Man is evil. He is a scheming right now. Man is a scheming. Trying to push some grandmas down some stairs. I don't even know. Okay. So yeah, for here, I think we just add them. So like this one, we're gonna say, oh, it's not. So then we add it. Oh, this one's good. So we add it. But you really only want to add if there's not, like, if we don't know that like one of them is deleted, I think. So it's like we don't know until the end if we want to. So like here, for example, we do 1. But then let's just post order traversal. I think it's this post order traversal, and then you just check like the left and right children and see if they're like, if one of them was deleted. So we go here and we're like, oh, well, 5, you should be deleted. And we delete it, but then we go here and we're like, oh, well, the 5 was deleted, so we don't do anything. And then we just like kill it here, but then come back here. And then, I don't know. How is it structured? Maybe one idea too you could do, which I don't think is the answer, but you could probably just like deconstruct the tree and then reconstruct it, but without these. But I don't think that's going to be the answer at all. I think it's just a post order traversal. So when we see like a 3, we're like, oh, well, 3 is going to get deleted. And so now we need 6 and 7. But we also need to go down through all of these too and say like, oh, well, 6 is good. We pass it. 7's good. Pass it. 6 is good. Pass it. Then we're like, oh, well, no, you need to be deleted. And so your children are going to go up to here. And then the same for this, or we go all the way down. And we're like, okay, well, you're deleted. Just what does the delete signal look like? What does a delete signal look like? Here? Catch you later, Ray. First time catching your stream. Gotta go. My junior sweet job. Nice. Good luck. Look on your junior sweet job. And if you would recommend you, I guess you start leak coding. If you're trying to switch your job, at least. If you're not, if you're happy at your job, then keep vibing, man. Keep on just chilling. Normally I stream like in the morning around this time. What did you graduate with? A bachelor's in computer science. Graduated with a bachelor's in computer science from the University of Florida. Go Gators. Oh, this place. University of Florida. Pretty nice school, actually. It was really good. I think I spent like the summer like studying like just the SAT stuff. And I say that too, but like honestly, I probably wasn't even working that hard. But like I shot my score up from like a like 50th percentile to like top 25%, and that was like enough for the SAT basically to get into the school. So that was cool. That was cool. I wish I like. Unfortunately, I just learned out too late that the SAT actually matters a lot. when it comes to colleges, or that it's even possible that you can study and improve your score. So that was, yeah, it's kind of wild. Yeah, but you're supposed to be like top like 25% basically to get here, and this is like top 1% like Harvard or whatever, and about a 30% admissions rate, which is really low, I guess, compared to like if you compare to like Google or Facebook. I feel like it's probably way lower. Like their acceptance rate's probably like 0.01%. I am a Florida man. What is an associate's? Job landed? No job landed, Malvi. What is up, Zach Hanafi? Ray, you're a Florida man. Yeah, I am. What's an associate's degree? It's a 2-year degree. 2 years and you get like a degree for it. Early on my internship grinding LeetCode. Bro, you gotta focus on the internship. You gotta get that return offer. You can do LeetCode after the internship, but on the internship? That's wild. Given the root of a binary tree, each node is a distinct value. Okay, let's see here. I think, yeah, I think this is just like some signal that you would have to do to delete it. But like here you just say delete it, and anytime it's deleted, you just pass in its parents maybe and iterate over them. I think it's fine. I guess we'll see how that goes, but we'll see how that goes. So like here, we just do def, dfs, node, if node. Then we'll do left, dfs node dot left, right is equal to dfs node dot right. And these are probably gonna be like its children. And then like if it's in to delete, then that means we need to delete this. And so we're gonna say like, oh, and then maybe, I don't even know what to say, D1, I guess. I'm thinking about returning 2 things here, and then when it's deleted, we just say like, okay, well, now we just need to pass in like the other ones or something as the children. This doesn't, this is almost here, almost the idea that I wanted, but job landed. I'm doing LeetCode while having a full-time job. I actually see a decent amount of other full-time and interns doing LeetCode in the office. Really? That's surprising. I know, I know like a couple people will, but like they're usually just on their way out. Like they literally like if they're at their full-time job, they've probably been there for like a year or 2 and they're just really, really bored. And so they're like, oh, I'm just gonna LeetCode right now so I can get another job. Like I've seen, I mean, I know that's a thing. But like for an internship, I don't know. I didn't know people were like, "Oh, I just got this internship. It's day 3. It's day 3 of my internship. I'm already bored out of my mind. I need to start LeetCoding." Have you read DDIA? Yes, I have read DDIA, and I also have notes on that. If you go in my bio of this YouTube video, you're gonna see my notes, right, which is linked here on my website. So these are all like my yeah, just my notes on it. Like, it took me like maybe like 20 hours to write all this stuff out, and then I still need to like turn this into a YouTube video, actually, where I actually just like make a ton of slides off each of these. Maybe call it like DDIA in 30 minutes or something, or like I read DDIA. I read 20 hours of DDIA, and like here's like a 30-minute summary of it or something. I think that would be cool. Yeah, I mean the notes aren't super helpful, right? Like, I mean they're just like basically all the parts of the book. I did have screenshots in them, but it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to attach all those screenshots here, I think. Midnight Simon, what is up? What is up? How is how has your decisions been? Have they changed? Was Alex Shoes book nice? Yeah, 10 out of 10. Would recommend actually. It's insanely in depth. I think it's like really hard to fail a system design interview. If you read all of this, it's very difficult to fail a system design interview. And if you do mock interviews, that's like, oh my god, the holy grail. Like because V1, V2, and DDIA is like, you're for mid level, I should say actually. Right, let's put a disclaimer for mid level interviews. This is like overkill for sure, I think. Looking good, my friend. Healed up nice. Yeah, I got that dermatologist, man. I got the healing factor. She gave me the X serum or whatever they gave to Wolverine. She was like, this shit is secret. Put it on and I regened super fast. I feel like if I didn't have the medicine, I mean it would be just very slow. And you can kind of tell too because I still have like this mark on my hand actually, but that's like healing and because I haven't used the medicine at all for that, but anyways, all this to say, guys, go to a doctor because they're suffering any pain or anything like that, because they can give you like products like this. It's not Secret X serum. I lied about that, but it is. There's a modern medicine has advanced a lot. So if you guys are like suffering from pain or anything like that, you can just go there. I think and they can really patch you up. Drugs are good. Heck yeah, drugs are good. Am leak coding every day as well. Do you do it simultaneously with system design? I mean, I kind of like broke and stopped. So like I stopped doing leak code for like 2 weeks or something just to do system design. If you look at like my graph or something. So like this, I was probably reading like DDIA. I think it was probably during this period, this May period. Then I finished it and I was like, okay, well, now I can do whatever I want now. I'm good on interviews. All I have to do is just make sure I don't forget all the stuff that's in my notes. So I just read over my notes a bit. Do you have any interest working at trading shop and high frequencies? I wouldn't mind it. I wouldn't mind it, especially if they pay a lot too. But I don't know. I mean, it's not something it's not an active goal that I'm seeking out. Hi, Ray. How are you? I was wondering how your job search is going. Do you apply to like a fixed number of job roles daily? No, I do not. I don't apply that to any at all. Really. My focus is not to applying to jobs. Unfortunately, not a priority. Not a priority. Right now, the priority is probably just doing YouTube videos and content creation, like trying to make tutorials and just education, motivation for tech. I think that's what my thing is. Well, I am not using LeetCode, but using Algo Expect. Okay. Don't know what that is, but oh, Algo Expert. Using Algo Expert. Okay. Algo Expert. This guy. I bought this and this thing was a waste of money. Easily a waste of money. Oh my god. How much of a waste of money? $60 for 1 year access. It's actually a pretty good deal, honestly. I'm pretty sure I feel like I spent like $100 and I only got Algo Expert. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, no, I do not think this thing is good at all. Good if you need like motivation, maybe, but look at all these like things though. What I'm trying to think is like I'm examining this as like a business. Two Sigma got me from zero to ready in 6 weeks. While I already bought other ones. Is you the best because of problem curation, whiteboard videos, and optimized solutions, and edge case testing. Interesting. Blockchain expert. Yeah, I don't even know. The best blockchain education platform comprehensive list. Yeah. They really hired when it put people in for the marketing. Another thing too, if you're selling something, if you add like a scarcity aspect of it, like that's really good. Gets people to buy. So you put in like a 13-hour timer. But anyways, I bought this thing and it was not useful. It was just like literally like YouTube tutorials. Like you could literally find this stuff on YouTube. And then, you talk about problem curation, like anyways, I also why there's like something I need to like throw away in my house. Ray, is there any other book you'd recommend like DDIA? All of my recommendations come from this guy, System Design Fight Club. So like if you're this guy curated this, oh my god bless System Design Fight Club. It sucks that he kind of just stopped making content, but he was easily one of the best educators for system design. But yeah, now, like I think most of the people here, they kind of just quit because they got other stuff going on. Like they get like a job or something and they just don't care. But anyways, this guy is super genius. And yeah, if you're trying to looking for system design resources, like you look at this tier list. Do all of these. Do all of these if you're looking for that kind of stuff. Yeah, I would say in order, like these are good. If you're mid-level, just do Don Martin's and then Alex Shu. But yeah. Oh yeah, and I didn't link it either. Yeah, you know him? Okay, nice. Yeah, well, yeah, follow him. I don't even know if you guys can see that. It says restream. How well did you do in the Code Chef contest? I feel like I probably need a. I don't know if it's actually even possible for me to do LeetCode stuff. I'm trying to think about that actually. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do any LeetCode stuff basically on stream, which isn't bad. I think I could like just do education stuff or something, but or maybe I guess when there's not people. How well did you do in the Code Chef contest? I mean, there's like I think I mentioned I typed it in the Discord. I typed it in Discord. I got 1200. I got A, B, and C, and then I had 1 hour left, and I just like stopped doing it essentially. Maybe I had 50 minutes left, and I just stopped doing it. But that's enough for like here, I guess, for that score. Yeah, so that's Solaris. Algorithm makes a great pitch. They used to advertise the cost of the course will be paid by first day's salary at the job. How could you say no to that? Yeah, I mean it's definitely good. It's a good marketing thing. Like this is another reason too that I say that but like this content creation, like this business, I think is actually like very, very good. And I don't think people realize it too because like nobody's advertising like, oh, I make $1 million, but like I feel like this is like probably like a $100 million industry, like for sure. I think at least like there's a lot of money I think that's going into it because when you have someone who can get a job that's making like $300,000 a year, $200,000 a year, like you can make a lot of money off that because you just need to take like just let me give you just 0.1%, like just give me like 0.1% of like your 300K offer or whatever. Yeah, like you can do crazy stuff with that. It's the same thing too with like colleges. Like I mean obviously college degree is like what, like how much is a college degree, like $40,000 like bottom line. Yeah, but you pay the $40,000. Everyone's okay paying the $40,000 because at the very end of it, you get to make again like you can make 300K plus. Not even that, but like you make like $1 million. It's like the best deal that you could ever ask for. This is the best deal. You get a CS degree for 40K and you make $1 million. It's an amazing deal. That's it. I mean, Algo Expert as itself, though, I don't think it's a good product. I think like the one thing that's very easy to do in this industry is you just say Google, say Facebook, and people will just like start like seething from the mouth about how like they would buy that thing, like Google, Amazon, Microsoft. They know people want to see this, and that is what people want to see. So the marketing is the brand. You just put that up there, and you're good. Like you're so unbelievably like you just sell like crazy. I feel like. So and I don't even know like I don't know. There's not enough I guess reviews, but like there probably need to be more reviews or something like that. But anyways, I'm sure it helps all these people. But like, I don't think it's a good product. I would change things about it for sure. The things I would change about it. Um, would you work as a full-time YouTuber if you pull around 200K a year? Why not? Why not? I mean, it depends on, what I'm doing. Most likely it'll be like education. I mean, full-time YouTuber though is kind of weird, right? Like I think YouTube will probably always be like a side thing, while I do like other projects, because I don't think I can program as like a full-time YouTuber. I don't know. I don't know, maybe. Have you seen the solution of A power B mod C? It's really a joke. No, I didn't see that solution. Would you say leak code injection with Algo Expert? Again, I remember you talking about something like creating a Discord server for like-minded people to meet up and talk about DSA. Um, with Algo Expert? I mean, I think they're like literally the same thing. Like, I think it's literally the same. You don't have to do leak code. I would recommend you just do contests. That's the thing that Algo Expert is missing. I think that's one thing that I don't like about all like the content stuff, is that like they kind of just say get a Fang job, do leak code, get better, but like they don't give you any metrics. They don't give you any numbers of which you can get better. So I would do Algo Expert and I would just do contests. Like if you bought it already, if you already bought it. But like, I mean, what Algo Expert is going to do is I bought their course. I know what it is. They just have YouTube videos. That's it. They give you a problem. They say, hey, do this problem, this problem, this problem, this problem. They give you homework. And then they say, do those problems. And then if you can't do them, look at the tutorial. That's it. That's what they do. But that said, like, that's LeetCode. That's literally LeetCode, and that's like literally all of LeetCode's videos on YouTube. So, but I would recommend doing the contest so you can actually gauge how you're doing. I would add that onto there. Do you want to know? I don't even know what the problem is. Like, yeah, I don't even know what the problem is. I think I saw your message on Discord, Zolaris. You said it's like a two-liner, I think. Is there any platforms you have tried beside Algo Expert? Any platforms I've tried besides Algo Expert? Not really, just LeetCode Premium. LeetCode Premium and Algo Expert. Because one of my friends who got a job at Salesforce said she bought it, and then she was like, this was good. But yeah, it was not that good. Do you okay, what about Code Wars? I like the game of fiction, but I don't see anyone talking about it. I think it's just all, I mean, it's all the same. I don't know anything about Code Wars, though. I've never tried it, but it's all just algorithms, really, in my opinion. I don't know. I don't know what Code Wars is. Never heard of it. I mean, I've heard of it, I think, but I just don't do anything about it. I don't do anything with it. This is the problem that Solaris is talking about. But I'm sure they're all just algorithms stuff. Someone who's good at algorithms can do like really, really all of them. Your integer to integers b. For each test case, output space separated BC and satisfying conditions. It can be proved that once the check exists. Yeah, I don't know. A to the power of B, B to the power of C. I mean, I guess this is like a math proof. That's gonna be my guess. But this equation seems very mathematical, and so like the two-liner is like some math you have to prove by math or something. I don't know. Okay. So yeah, going back to this, I think you can just save it's deleted. Hmm. Oh, this thing. Okay, the timer is maybe right. Maybe right. Recursion, incursion. Why is your profile picture looks like Belle Delphine or like some kind of like e-thought? Why is that your profile picture? Can you explain that to me? Aha. OnlyFans chick. Nice. That's the only picture I got on my PC. Why do you have a picture of that on your PC? Why is that the only picture you have on your PC? I literally made an account to join the thing, my thing. Thanks. Thank you. Okay, yeah, so here I think what we do is we just say like keep the head node. There's the case where it's not deleted and we just want the head node. So that's if it's deleted, but then if it's not, then let's just return the node. And then like false, I guess. This will make it faster using a set. Yeah, and we constantly could offers prize money when you solve a question. What do you mean when you solve a question? No, they don't. I don't give you money for solving questions. Do you know Alex Ramosi and Sam Ovens? Sam Ovens. Sam Ovens. His name is Ovens? What the heck? That's so weird. I didn't even know that was didn't know that was actual name. I know yeah, I know Alex Ramosi. He's like super famous. That's why I'm using school, essentially. Is because of them. Not because of them, I guess just yeah, specifically because of Alex Ramosi. This guy, yeah. Yeah, I think probably next time I'll probably just have the leak code off stream and then do maybe do like some core stuff. I don't know why he gives off that scammer vibe, Alex Ramosi. No, Alex Ramosi, he's actually a genius. There's like actually like no scams. Like it's just like pure, just like intelligence. Intelligence when it comes to like sales and stuff. Like I mean, if you literally just listen to him, like I mean, he communicates very well. He explains things. I don't think he like literally asks for like a single thing, right? Like we talk about Algo Expert. How many times is this guy saying, "Please go to Algo Expert. Please go to Algo Expert. Oh my God, please do Algo Expert." Right? Like I mean, he literally like Alex Ramosi doesn't ask for anything. Now he is because he's promoting school, but like he made content for 4 years or something without asking for a thing. Like no courses, um, nothing. Right? Yeah, I don't know. Like it's just like the opposite, I think, of like what a scammer. And also like he's providing like actual knowledge. Like I mean, like this stuff, like you can't even compare these two people, like just these two people as humans. I think like this is like the most just brain rot, just actual brain rot. Like just let me go viral, god tier JavaScript, and then what? Trash Java. Maybe could say I guess it's trash, but um, I don't. It's just like JavaScript, TypeScript, or god tier is I don't know. MySQL. It just seems like this is like, yeah, these videos are just kind of stupid. But with Hormozy again, I think he like everything he says is like again it's coherent. It makes like some kind of like logical thing. Obviously, I mean I watch all those videos. Again, I think he's like super smart for sure. He's not really selling anything. Like the only thing he's selling, I guess, is like that school stuff and Nobody needs algorithms where you can learn everything on your own. I don't know, man. Like, why would anyone spend hundreds of hours doing podcast interviews and YouTube collab? Well, yeah, like, so, like, Alex Ramosi thing, I say he's not selling something. He actually is. He's selling acquisition.com. That's what he's been doing for the past 4 years, and that's why he's been doing the YouTube stuff. Because, and what he does is, if your business makes $200 million every year, you can do this. Only businesses that can make $200 million a year. So, like, for all the normies, he's making like free content, literally like teaching them how they can go up to $200 million a year. And once they do that, or once they say like, oh shoot, like I was at 50 million, but then I watched this video and everything clicked. Now I'm at 200. Well, I want to go even farther, and they go to him. That's like been his, like, that's literally his business for like all of this. Like, he's been playing all these videos. Been making a ton of money. Like, hundreds of $1 million, I guess, every single year. And then dumping it, that into the channel, and basically as the marketing of this. You're not allowed to do this unless you're at 200 million. But yeah, that all of that to say is that, like, that's why this guy is making these videos, and that's why it's all going to this thing. And then this thing makes him all of his money, because he's done business before, and he's been doing it for years, and he's a god at sales and marketing. Yeah, but all of this stuff is free, and all of it's like, the goal is like, just providing value basically. And it is value. I mean, like, one thing is, I guess, it's probably is like, I guess, formulas, like business, what is it, business equations or something. Like, this is like a good video. This is like really educational, just like equations that you need to know, like, as a business owner. Is very cool, like Gary Vee type beat. Yeah, probably. I mean, I can't really disagree if it's cult like or not. Like, I mean, probably, but I mean, he's done a good job. Like I said, he's a very smart guy. He's very, very smart. Because, yeah, and I mean, I say that too. Like, I mean, it's just like the ideas he comes up with for sales, for marketing, for business, or there's something that you would just never ever see. It's the same thing too with like Neetcode, honestly. Like, I mean, Neetcode, he doesn't do like a lot of like, crazy stuff, but like, he's been extremely helpful. I mean, you can't even deny that. Like, the amount of tutorials, like the amount of effort that Neetcode puts into his videos is crazy. Compared to what we had before. Before Neetcode, it was like, I don't know how to solve this problem. Let me go to like the editorial. Oh, oh, there's no editorial. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So amazing. No editorial. Okay, well, let me go to like the solutions here. Oh, okay. Well, we get Lee 215, and then like Lee 215. Oh, I get two words. That's what I get. Two sentences. My bad. Actually, this is one sentence. Oh, amazing. And then you like kind of look through all the stupid fucking code. That's what it was before Neetcode. That drives me up a wall. But Neetcode, I don't know if he was even planning it, but like, he kind of saw, hey, like, there's like a gap here, and he just fills the gap, right? Like, I mean, obviously, again, I don't know. I think this is like the worst part about Neetcode, is that there's like not any education. There's not enough like stuff about that. But same thing too with Alex Ramosi, right? He saw that, like, oh, well, there's nobody really talking about sales, marketing. There's nobody really like talking about business stuff, or like, I can do that. So he talked about it, and profited off of it from his acquisition thing. And he's not even like selling courses, right? Just AdSense and all that. Check this guy on YouTube has been recommending small YouTubers who basically sell courses about agencies. Yeah, yeah, those are probably scammers. Probably scammers. There's a lot of scams in the place. Ray, in the current job scenario for someone who has 2 years experience, are you seeing that people are getting first online assessments, or are they directly being reached out by recruiters on phone getting their interview scheduled? I have no idea. From all the job groups that I've heard, is like, sometimes it's like a mix of both. It really depends on the company. Maybe 50-50. Most, I think, are probably most, or maybe 60-70% are recruiters reaching out, and then they'll do a human screen. Okay. Cool. All right. Yeah, I had a mix of both recently. Yeah, so I'm Love Bud kind of said the same thing too. Like in the job groups that I'm in the job Discord that I'm in, the it seems to be like half and half. I don't know. Maybe I would say maybe leans, but like it's what I'm Love said, which is I had a mix of both, right? It's just like it kind of depends. I don't know. I definitely prefer the coding assessments though, for sure. Nico probably pulls about 20K a month just from his old videos. Maybe, honestly. But yeah, I mean, like I said, this is I God bless Nico, honestly. Like I because get me out of this hell where I've got to like look at these problems. And now like it's honestly now, but like Leetcode is, he's not perfect. I think he still isn't solving like he hasn't put out a tutorial for every Leetcode problem, but like I would like something similar. Like this cracking Vang. Was this Kevin Naughton? So like I'm not sure how good their explanations are and stuff like that, but I don't know. Kevin Nons might be good, but yeah, there's a lot of people who just don't cover really all the problems. Like there's a lot of problems in Leetcode. So it'd be really cool to have like all of them, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, I don't think Leetcode really covers this stuff. Just delete node in the BST. I had a friend who currently is working at Microsoft. I don't know anything about Kevin Naughton. I don't watch any of his videos. I don't watch any of this stuff like the React content. I like Primogen, but like this one, girls try hacking for $100. Like that's not my thing. My thing is like let's get better at Leetcode. Let's learn some stuff. But like watching a girl try hacking for $100 is that's not my thing. That's not gonna help me. That's not gonna help me learn Leetcode. So I am not watching it at all. So yeah, I don't know anything about this guy. I don't watch his stuff. I had a friend recently who's currently at Microsoft who used Nico's platform. Yeah, yeah. There's a lot of people for sure. There's a lot of people who've done it. Yeah. Uh, and honestly, like it's very likely. I think it's very likely that in the future, what I'm gonna do is I'm focusing on like Leetcode content right now. But I think what's gonna happen is I'm gonna move into like business stuff too. So like I'm gonna start talking about like startups and things like that, and kind of like branch into that area. Like so like right now I'm kind of just like all Leetcode, I guess, and then I'm gonna start doing like system design. But then once I kind of do that, I want to start like going into like business stuff and basically teaching people like kind of how to make successful businesses, or like I'm going to try to make my own successful business, and then I'm going to like teach people like what I've learned from doing that. I think that's the path that I'm going to go. I don't know, I like business stuff. I like money. I like, personal finance. Like I read all those books when I was like 15 years old. So it's fun for me. I think it can be helpful too for some people. So um cool. And I think I was hoping to do this. I've only spent like 17 minutes and then just a lot of talking, man. A lot of talking with YouTube chat. If you have to start a business, what sort of business would you start? I don't know. I mean, just something that you're good at. I think it's like the general idea is just you start something to what you're good at, right? Something you know well, something that you can provide value with. Um, and for us, I think we all know programming, and so I think you can provide a lot of value with that. And then the second part is like marketing it. So how do you get people to even know your app exists? You can make the best app in the world, but like people don't know it exists, then how's it gonna work? But I think it's really easy to just find a problem and just solve it. That's like and like code it. Like a SaaS app. There's literally just any app that solves somebody's problem. Like you just think about like a problem that you have, or that's something that's like annoying, and then you just solve the problem. Like write some code that solves it. Like one thing I don't like about Leetcode is that you can't really have like a friends list. So then I made this thing, right? But like there's this probably like some idea that you could probably make a business off of, which is let's be able to see and do leet code stuff with your friends, right? There was leet rooms, same thing too, right? You can't really solve leet code problems with your friends. So this guy made an extension, leet rooms, right? Basically just make something that's like solves some problem. There's problems everywhere. Then you just make it good. And then I would make it good, right? Like I would just do that. There's a problem, I just try to solve it. And then do a good job at it. Okay. One. Let's go all the way here. And we say like, oh, no, no. And then we say yes. And then we say that it's true, I guess. And then here we say no, yeah, no, yeah. And then we say, okay, cool, let's just put this note here. And so now on the left side, it was not deleted, but on the right side, it was deleted. So like if D1 was deleted, then we need to add all of its children. Right, and then like same thing if D2 was deleted, then we need to add all of its children. Like that. And then this one, I want to do like this plus this. So we just combine the arrays, but only if, like if not left and not right. We just return like empty and true, I guess. But something like that where we just like do this to this. What technologies do you even use to make extensions, man? Anything, like just JavaScript. It's just pure JavaScript. You can do that in React. That's what Leet Rooms is based off of, I think, React.js. But you just literally like it's literally the same as a website, except you just have like, you know, some other functions, but it's just HTML, CSS for an extension, and then you do JavaScript for your calls or whatever. It's pretty not bad. Not bad at all. Just like making any other website. Would you be creating the Discord platform you spoke about in previous videos about a community for LeetCode minded folks? Yeah, I mean, I already have like my Discord, and I guess the goal of my Discord too, I want people more engaged. That said too, I'm also thinking about just killing my Discord and then doing like school. But I think it might be good to have a Discord, so maybe not. But like this is like the school thing where I think this is what's gonna be here for like education stuff, and then maybe I'll have it there. I don't know, but I want the people to be engaging here and like talking about like LeetCode stuff, and then maybe move into like system design. But so far it's just me and Subhash really just talking here, and then also Michael talks too. Michael talks. Do not kill Discord, man. Yeah, probably maybe won't, but because even on Discord, I mean, it's really the same people who only talk. And like the problem with the Discord is that like I get very overwhelmed when I join a new Discord. But with school, it feels like it's maybe easier, honestly. It feels like it's easier to not get overwhelmed because like there's only 5 things here. And then you could just scroll down and see them all. Look at this meme I made, man. But yeah, with Discord, I think it's easy to get overwhelmed. So if I do have a Discord, it's gonna maybe be like 3 channels or something. So probably 1 or 2 channels, but then I'll just have people they can talk there, I guess. But like I said, it's always the same people talking. So can you reduce the size of your video so we can see the entire code if you don't mind? Oh, my camera's blocking it. School is fine. It was like you asking all your friends to sign up for the cool app you just found. What's the link to your LeetCode discussion page? School. This one's it. This is it. So yeah, this one. Yeah, like I said, I could do Discord, but like it's probably more annoying to set up too, honestly. But honestly, school has like some benefits. But I think this is it. Holla holla holla, we dem boys. This is the school page. But like I said, so far it's really only like 2 people like contributing. Again, I want to get people engaging, like talking. Get people engaging, talking about DSA stuff. Cheers. Yo, that song is goated, says Recursion. Yeah, that is holla holla, we dem boys. How old are you? WTF. I'm 26. I am 26 years old. I'll engage once I suck less at LeetCode, thank you. I mean, you don't have to know any LeetCode stuff. Like you just talk, share memes. I don't know. Talk about job stuff if you're trying to look for a job. Yeah. Doesn't have to be about LeetCode stuff. Like it doesn't have to be like we're talking about algorithms or stuff. Just just hanging out, man. Just hanging out. Weedham Boys is 10 years old. Yeah. Okay, brilliant. Yeah. Yeah. Pat has a lot of people in his Discord too. I'm in Pat's Discord actually a good amount too. Um, which is nice, but it's nice having like people you can just talk to and things like that. And like people who you can like talk about and solve problems with, like, oh hey, like, are we gonna do this contest? How'd you do on this contest? Oh, this contest was BS or something. Okay, so what children? If it's deleted, then we need to add all of its children there. I think. Then if not, add a node. They don't know about this. So here, like, we delete like the 5, we mark it as deleted, and then when we return, we say like, oh well, if it was deleted, then all of its children are gonna go here. But like, if it's deleted and there's a left one, if it's deleted and there's a right one, because I want to copy up, and then if it's children, this one I think you have to disconnect it too. Like also with that. So like node.write is equal to like none, basically. And then node.write is equal to none. This is like really complicated code. I think feels like I might be doing this bad. But then do these. Oh man, whoever said I was 10 years old was actually correct. Whoever said this is just 10 years old was actually correct. The song was released 10 years ago, just Wikipedia'd it. Yeah, I did not think it was 10 years ago for sure. I felt like I was like at least 15 when it came out. Or actually, I feel like I would probably be in middle school, honestly, when it came out. But yeah, recursion. Yeah, that was recursion. He said that. The page is not opening on my end. The page doesn't open. What? Sammed W. No, it should open. Should be there. Kind of weird. I don't know. I don't know why it's not opening. Salut. Chan do, what is up? What's up? What's up? Chan do 6. Chan do. I don't think people really use short A sounds. Chandu 16. How many you solved? I haven't solved any. All I've been doing is talking. Oh boy, and I feel like this is actually one I could solve too. But I need to like basically. I'm not sure how the LeetCode streams are gonna be happening. If people are just chatting, I don't know. Because I might just have to maybe do like something that's like maybe designing courses or like trying to like basically explain out like concepts or something. I don't know. I've got like this thing here where I still have to like maybe talk about like system design stuff. So like like this is like one thing I made, which is like all about message queues. But like I might just maybe just make stuff like this. I don't know. In the lieu of like people talking. I feel like it's very hard. I don't know. I feel like I just can't go dive deep and focus. Or I mean I could just shut off chat too. I don't know, but Ganesh Chowdhury. Hi. Hello, hello. Love LPU Kada. I don't understand too. Why do you guys like talking like half English, like half I don't know what like language it is really, but it's like Romanized too. I don't really understand that about India. I feel like I've just only seen that in India. Like, and again, I'm in Colombia right now. You should do some casual stuff on stream. You ain't doing LeetCode on live, broski. Yeah. Probably Telugu. I speak Telugu. Yeah, I see it on LinkedIn too. They do it all the time. Like, I feel like I've just never seen that in any other culture. Where are we at? Yeah, this stuff. They mix their native tongue with English and it's cringe. Bro, why you calling it cringe? I didn't say all that. I just said it was weird. I mean, it's not something I'm used to. I don't know why it's like the case. I just haven't seen it before, but I wouldn't say it's weird. But I mean, hey, I think you guys are Indian, so you guys probably know more than me. I don't know. It's Telugu. Chandu is probably Indian, so it's not that offensive. Yeah, true. He is Indian, by the way. I can give a talk on system design topic on your channel if you want to. If you really want to, you can. Chandu, if you want to give a talk on system design. When you practice system design, I'm not really practicing it. I'm just mostly reviewing it. I might do mock interviews on Preamp maybe sometime. But that's about it. We awesome will come with the draft document. Ray say Gandu to Chandu. Oh, I did not say a slur. Do you have a topic you want me to do? Or you just pick one? Yeah, I think you just pick one. Whatever I guess you think is useful for people. Don't say that. Oh no. Yeah, I don't know anything. Hold on, let me see. What did I say? Don't say that. What did recursion make me do? Oh, yikes. What? What did I say? Maybe that person needs to get banned. Oof, all right. Hey, recursion, you've been here for a day, and I think I don't even know how to. You're gonna be on timeout for uh 24 hours for doing that. I'll put you on timeout for 24 hours. Chandu's been here for a while, but we can't have any attacking other people here. Cannot be attacking. Uh, okay, too. And then here's like the thing too. I guess you guys are curious. It's 24 hours. All right. What was he doing? Positive environment only. Also, I don't know. I don't know if my Twitch chat is like popping up on the screen. I don't know why that's not working, but all right. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, nice, cool. Twitch chat shows. Did someone redeem Chess Builder Racer, or is this a quick distraction? Well, I'm about to end stream pretty soon. It's only the idea was just really stream for like an hour, and then I have to do like this coaching stuff. So yeah, I think a lot of people, or maybe like 3 people, I guess, booked for today for doing some coaching. So I'm just gonna talk to them and try to get a gauge on how they're doing. Yeah. Also, I don't know why can't I figure this out? Oh, it's here, right? And then here, and then coaching. You mean LeetCode coaching? Yeah, basically, it's like LeetCode coaching stuff. Yeah, I've been trying to like think about ways that I could like monetize basically my YouTube channel and obviously help people too. I mean, I think it's helping, but like one, I need to get good at coaching, I think, and so I'm doing like free coaching, like trying to learn how to basically be good at that, because then I think if I'm good at that, then I can get people results, and if I get people results, I can charge money for it, essentially. Let's see here. And where can I sign up in the future? Yeah, just at the school thing. Just like join like the school thing. Yeah, here, I mean I can link it too, but just yeah, just join this. And then or you can DM me on Discord too, actually. I mean either or. If you're on Discord, you can DM me on Discord, or you can join the school thing, or however, I guess however you prefer. Although I'm gonna try to like, yeah, I don't know. Actually. Mr. Incredible. Hello, hello. We got a lot of leak coders here today, and I'm not doing too much leak code. I'm gonna dip pretty soon. I don't even understand. Don't even understand. Is it? Wait, what's the? Which one is this one? Which one is this one? Not here. I mean, that's the only thing I can think of, but I don't even see how that works. Oh, it's here. Dang. Whatever. I noticed you redid your website. It's far more professional, like nicer looking. Yeah, I prefer that style than the other one, honestly. Like I prefer this just plain. It's like simple. Like there's like, like the font, three things here, and then some of the posts that I've written that I need to like change the dates on them, but then I got my system design notes here. And like about page or something. Also, is University of Florida still a top 10 public university? Vim tutorial on YouTube would be awesome. I feel like I don't know that much about Vim, but like I guess like the TLDR of Vim is I started doing it at EasyPost, and oh yikes, my other thing's not too great. It's not adjusted completely. Yikes. Not what I wanted to show. Not at all. For the Vim stuff, I like, yeah, I was like just like basically doing it in at EasyPost, but I was just like using like the arrow keys all the time and then just like editing it, and then I got used to it. Apparently you're supposed to start with like doing Vim motions or something. Yes, it is. I tried looking at some Primogen is far too advanced. Like there's a guy called Luke who does great ones. No, I mean a lot of Vim is just practicing it though, honestly. It's like you just one, I think just start using Vim motions. So like if you're leak coding, for example, like you click here and then use the Vim motion key bindings, and then you just like try to jump around with that. And then like basically once you can, just use it, just try it out. Like just try insert mode and all that, and then get used to it, and then you can try like doing this. I'm not even that fast with Vim though. One thing I can do, I guess it might be, I don't even remember how to do it actually, is like %sign slash s slash like to delete, and then like nodes to remove G. Like you can like do like, I guess like control place things, which is a little bit faster because you don't have to touch your mouse to do it and things like that. But I don't know, I like it. It's nice. So how do you structure around doing LeetCode and other things? Do you do one LeetCode a day? Side hustling as well. So I do LeetCode in the mornings and maybe one question per day, and then focus on building side projects. Also, just join your DSA prep school. Nice, cool. Yeah. And yeah, like feel free to talk if you're in the group. Like I said, the kind of goal is to get people talking and engaging. Do I have a nice clicky clanky keyboard? I have like just like a normal. It's like a mechanical for sure, but it's nothing like crazy. I know people who spend like $500 on them. Mine's just like a normal, like pretty just normal thing. I don't know anything about keyboards honestly, so I can't answer too many questions on that. So I do LeetCode in the mornings. Yeah, how do you manage your time? When I was doing it, I was trying to like do like 3 or 4 hours of it. So like my managing my time. I mean, with also side projects, I guess it's really hard. I feel like maybe it's best to have like maybe days where you do LeetCode, but I don't know. It really depends on the person. I don't know how I do it. Like I'm pretty disjointed right now, and I need to like probably do that, but maybe just plan like block out times where I'm only going to be doing that. And I want to actually start like grinding super hard, I think, so I can get to like top 5%. And then after that, grind maybe take a break or just grind more and get the top 1%, which is going to be a lot harder, of course. Yeah, but I'm not sure, honestly, how I'm going to be scheduling the time. All right, I guess we'll end it here. It's been like an hour, so I will see you guys. I will see you guys later. And yeah, peace. Masia, holla holla, we them boys. Sam, the W, V, Ganesh, you're still here. Subs, Mr. Incredible, and I guess any of the other ones. I don't know if Pat's even watching. Pat's probably sleeping, but Chandu, peace. See you guys. Yeah, I'll probably do more Leetcode stuff tomorrow, but I don't know if I'll do it off stream. I'll probably do off stream stuff today, maybe. Maybe. And then I might be doing like a chess stream later today. I don't know, but we'll see. But anyways.